So what is Ksp value? 1.58 into 10 power minus 9 equal to concentration of Ba plus 2 into concentration of IO3 minus square. Is there any IO3 minus present in the solution now? In this reaction, is there any IO3 minus ions present in the solution or not? There. That is because of NaIO3. Right? If this is the concentration of NaIO3, what will be the concentration of IO3? Same. Correct? So I am substituting that here. Respond, sir. Any questions? So square means 6 into 10 power minus 2 divided by 3 square. Respond, sir. Any questions in it? Means if I bring that to this side, 4. 1.58 divided by 4 into, this is 10 power minus 4. 10 power minus 9. So what is left? Minus 5 is concentration of Ba plus 2. Acceptable or not? Say, sir. 4 0.4 3s are 12 means 38. 38 means 9s are 36. 20 means 5. So 0.395 means what is the concentration of Ba plus 2 now? You need to give the answer as something into 10 power minus 6 molar. Correct? Moles per liter means molar. So something into 10 power minus 6 means what I can write this as? I am writing 10 power minus 6 means what I will write? 3.95. So I will write this as 3.95 into 10 power minus 6 molar. So what should be the answer, sir? Respond, sir. Easy one or not? So answer must be answer must be done. Solid state chapter question. This is the chapter which we are going to discuss now. Right? After this chapter, we will discuss chemical kinetics. This is the question. After that chapter, we will discuss surface chemistry. This is the question. Means from every chapter, they formed one question in integer type. All are class 12th questions only, if you observe carefully. Solid state. This one. KSP. Ionic equilibrium. This is based upon surface chemistry, chemical kinetics and nuclear chemistry. Solutions and colligative properties, electrochemistry, coordination compounds, class 12th only. This is biomolecules, class 12th only. Over. Right? Okay, I will start solid state chapter. This is also class 12th, organic chemistry. Organic chemistry. Abba, waste question, man. Question number 6, sir. Wastest question. Compound with pH bonds. Means if you know the structure of them, problem solved. What is H3PO4? H3PO4, sir. P double bond O, OH, OH, OH. Is it H3PO4? H3PO4. Phosphorus is in +5 state. What is the name of it? Orthophosphoric acid. H3PO3, one oxygen less. H3PO3. Check. Is it H3PO3 or not? 3 hydrogens, 3 oxygens. Correct? H3PO3. Phosphorus acid. This is phosphoric acid. This is phosphorus acid. I am going for this last one. H3PO2. H3PO2, correct or not? This is called hypophosphorus acid. Hypophosphorus acid, or we also call it as phosphinic acid. This is called phosphorus acid. This is called orthophosphoric acid. Next one, pyrophosphoric acid, H4P2O7, pyrophosphoric acid. Take 2 phosphoric acids and remove 1 water. Take 2 molecules of first one and remove 1 H2O. What will you get? H3PO4, 2 moles. 2 moles means how many hydrogens? 6. If I remove 1 H2O, 4. Phosphorus, 2. Oxygens, 8 minus 1, 7. Satisfied or not? So we call it as pyrophosphoric acid. Right? P double bond O, OH, OH, O, P double bond O, OH, OH. Correct? Huh? I am taking 2 molecules of it and removing 1 H2O. I am writing again. I am taking, this is 1 molecule. This is second molecule. And I am removing H2O. Correct? Huh? If I remove H2O, there will be bond between P, O and P, na? Right? Then what we call it as pyrophosphoric acid. Now tell me the answer. How many of them are having pH bonds? What is the answer? B and D, P. So answer B, D. Waste question. Question number 5. The moment you lick this question, immediately you will get one chapter in mind. What is the chapter? To which chapter it belongs? This topic we discussed in 2 chapters. One in chemical bonding, van der Waals forces. Second, in states of matter, gaseous state chapter. First topic of gaseous state, I discussed the same again. If you remember. This is the second question they framed from states of matter, gaseous state chapter. One question based upon van der Waals equation. Another question is here. States of matter. You don't remember. First topic of states of matter chapter, I will always discuss this only. Right? Class FS, last year, 24-25 batch, FS, gaseous state chapter. See? There we discuss about pressure. While we are discussing there about pressure, P atmosphere equal to rho Hg cos theta. Correct or not? We discussed this or not there? Right? Now, see the beginning of this chapter. States of matter chapter. For 11th of August 2024, 9:49 AM. Sunday weekend batch I have started. Topic, van der Waals forces. Weak attractive forces between molecules. Dipole-dipole interactions. If they are stationary, 2 dipoles. Between them, we call that forces as Keeson forces. If they are stationary, then interaction energy, potential energy is proportional to 1 by R cube. If they are rotating, interaction energy is proportional to 1 by R power 6. Right? Rotating dipoles, it is proportional to 1 by R power 6. If they are stationary, power proportional to 1 by R cube. Correct? Huh? Second question, option B. Read option B. Average potential energy of two rotating polar molecules that are separated by a distance r has dependence. What is the dependence? 1 by r cube. Is it 1 by r cube or 1 by r power 6? Just now we have seen. If they are stationary, r cube. If they are rotating, correct? States of matter, first bit itself is there. So this is wrong. Correct? Now, potential energy between 2 point charges. If they are plus and 1 minus. Plus q minus q. Then what is force? K q1 q2 upon r square. That is force. Force into displacement is called energy. So what is energy? K q1 q2 by r square into r. 1 r cancel. So it is proportional to 1 by r. So if it is 2 point charges, then energy is proportional to 1 by r. Correct? Now, rapidly then, potential energy between 2 point dipole and a point charge. One is dipole, one is a point charge. One is a dipole, another is a It is raining yesterday. Applied itself is 37 students from our branch. 17 people appeared for exam. They giving reason simply as, sir, it is raining, so we are unable to write. We are unable to go. But we are going from here to exam center to wish them. This is the situation. So first, come out of that attitude. Your attitude will decide whether you will get success or not. If you are already accepted the defeat, even God also can't save you. You are already gone. God also can't save you. Right? Now come to solid state. To understand this chapter, first you need to know some basic rules. Right? So first, if you are sitting in this room, you need to understand the dimensions of it. Is it a cubical form? Okay, cuboid form. Let me assume it as a cube for simplicity. Assume this as a cube. You are sitting exactly at the center of this cube in air, mid of air. I can call it as you are sitting at the center of this total body. So I call your position as body center. Or if you are exactly floating in the middle of this room, I call that you are exactly at body center of this cube. If you are sitting at that corner, I will say you are at the corner of the cube. If you are sitting here, edge center. If you are sitting here, face center. There, body center. Understood? Any questions in it? Clear? You might have played marbles at your childhood. Right? With marbles, you might have played or not. Right? So I am taking marbles. I am assuming 2-dimension. 2-dimension means can I assume carom board coins, carom board coins. So I am taking carom board coins here. Assume this is circular, huh? A circle only, no? Right? Now I am arranging carom board coins in different ways. In how many ways you can arrange carom board coins, sir? Oh, sorry. Don't say, sir, we have only how many coins? 16, huh? How many coins? 10, huh? 19, huh? Oh, including red. Remove red. 9 white, 9 black. Totally 18 coins. So what I have done? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, huh? Okay, one more coin I have to arrange. Huh? Okay. Assume I have arranged 9 white coins or maybe 9 black coins in this way. Right? Can I call it as one-dimensional arrangement? I don't call it as two-dimensional arrangement. It is one-dimensional arrangement, correct? Correct or not? Now, what I call this as? I will write it separately. What I call this as? Can I call this as two-dimensional arrangement now? Hey, say something. No. Yes, madam. Yes, madam. HR కి పంపించండి. CC నాకు శివప్రసాద్ సార్ పెట్టు. .SZ. Accord.sz, HR.sz, accord.sz. Accord.sz. Okay, man. Bye. Class from now. Is it two-dimensional arrangement or not? Right? Now observe this. Is it two-dimensional arrangement or not? Let us say something. It is also called as two-dimensional arrangement or not? Both are two-dimensional arrangements only. Right? So, like you are sitting in the middle of room, then every point around you is three-dimensional. First, let us understand two-dimension. Then I will come to three-dimension. Right? Right? In two-dimension also, you are sitting in the middle of room. This is where you are sitting. I will assume that somewhere here. You are sitting here. Better, I will assume middle only. Otherwise, you will get confused. Right? You are here, middle of the room. Same way here also, you are sitting middle of the room. Okay. From this point to who is your nearest neighbor? Who is your adjacent neighbor now? For you, who is your adjacent neighbor? Adjacent neighbor 1. Is he your adjacent neighbor 1 or not? Right? But how many such adjacent neighbors you have? At what distance? Let me assume this distance as A. Where I write A equal to 2 times of radius. Acceptable or not? Correct? How many such nearest neighbors you have? 4. So I am writing root 1A, comma 4. Will you understand or not? I am writing root 1A. And root 1A is 1A or not? Right? So he is your first nearest neighbor. Here he is your first nearest neighbor. Response, sir? We also call it as coordination number. What do you mean by coordination number? Your nearest neighbors are called as coordination number. How many nearest neighbors are surrounding you? 4. Or how many people are touching you? 4 people are touching you. So that is called coordination number. Clear? Response, sir? Now, who is your second nearest neighbor? Next nearest neighbor, or I call it as second nearest neighbor. Second, or I call it as next nearest neighbor. At what distance? He is the first nearest neighbor. Then can I call this as second person? He is the second nearest neighbor. Then what is the distance? Root 2A. This is A. This is A. Or this is A. This is A. Then this is hypotenuse of a triangle. Or if I consider this as A, this as A, then is it hypotenuse or not? So what is it? Root 2A. Correct? So at a distance of root 2A, how many? How many? 4. Because 4 which are present diagonally. We are talking about 2 dimension, right? So this is also 4. Now, number of third nearest neighbors. Third nearest neighbors. How many and at what distance? Number 3. Who is he? First. He is second means what about this? Is he third or not? Is he third nearest neighbor or not? Response, sir. At what distance? Huh? Root 4a. How many? How many? Again 4. Because after every a, you will get root 4a. After every a, you will find root 4a. Response, sir. After every first nearest neighbor, you will find third nearest neighbor. How many first nearest neighbors you have? 4. So how many third nearest neighbors you will find? 4 only. Respond. So at a distance of root 4a, how many? 4. Next, sir. Number of fourth nearest neighbors. Fourth nearest neighbors. Who is 4?
Root 8a.
This one? Can
Root
I say
8a.
this is root 8a? Root 5a? This is a 2a, this is 1a. This is 2a, this is 1a. Then this is hypotenuse or not? Say something, sir. Correct? So root 5a. So I am writing 4 and I am writing root 5a. We will understand meaning of it. Right? How many? How many? This is 4. What about this? This is also 4. This is fourth nearest neighbor. This is also fourth nearest neighbor or not? Correct? Then this is also 4. This is also 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. Acceptable. All these are fourth nearest neighbors. Say something, sir. All these are first nearest neighbors. All these are second nearest neighbors. All these are third nearest neighbors. Response, sir. Now tell me fifth nearest neighbors. So totally how many? At a distance of root 5a, 8. Count, man, count fourths. Correct? 2, 4, 6, 8. Now what about this one? This is fifth nearest neighbor or not? Is there anything closer than this? Is this closer or this one closer? Compare these two. Compare these two. This one, this 5, and this 5. Compare which is closer. At what distance? This is a 2a. This is also 2a. 2a, 2a. Root 8a. Correct? 8a na? 2a. Square means 4a square, 4a square. Root 8a. So at a distance of root 8a, how many? 4. Response, sir? So I am writing 5, 5, 5, 5. Now tell me 6. Where it is 6? Is this a 6? Compared to this, it is lengthier or not? So obviously this is 6. Then this is 6. This is 6. This is 6. Acceptable? At a distance of root 9a. A. 3a means root 9a, na? Respond. Now, what about this one? 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Response are correct or not? At what distance? Root 10a. Then what about this? 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. How many? 8. 7th, how many? 7th, how many? 8. 8th nearest neighbors also 8. 9th nearest neighbors. Is it nearest neighbor or this one is neighbor? Count. Array, up count this distance between 9, this 9th and this 9th. This 9th one. Count. This is 1a, 2a, 3a, 1a, 2a, 3a, 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 3a. Array, 3a, 3a. Root 18. What about this one? A. Root 16, which is closer. So that is 9, not this one. So that is 9th nearest neighbor. Here 9. Here you will find 9. Here you will find 9. Here you will find 9. Correct? Now what about this one? 10, 10, 10, 10. It goes on. But have you observed some pattern? Root 1a, root 2a, root 3a is mixing. You will find root 3a when you keep another layer. When you come to 3 dimension, you will find root 3a also. Root 4a you found. Root 5a you found. Root 6a means root 6a comes in 3D. Root 7a, root 8a means root 7a you will find in 3D. Root 9a, root 10a. No. So root 10a goes to 3D. Root 11, root 12, 13. There. Root 14, root 15, root 16 means 13, 14 in third layer means 3D. Understood? Right? So based upon this, you can predict whether they are asking that 3-dimensional point or 2-dimensional point as nearest neighbor. One basic idea. Clear? Generally up to 4th nearest neighbor. This is also more. Generally, they will ask up to 2nd nearest neighbor. But we are studying up to 4th nearest neighbor. Enough. Any questions in it? Now, instead of arranging in this way, if I arrange in this way, this and this, here also can I write A as A equal to 2R? This is also A equal to 2R, or I will call it as root 1A. Is it first nearest neighbor or not? How many such first nearest neighbors you will find? So here I am writing root 1A 6. Now tell me number of second nearest neighbors. This is first nearest neighbor. Who is second nearest neighbor? Whether this is second nearest neighbor or not. Diagonally. Right? Then this is also second, 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 second. Respond, sir. Respond. This is first nearest neighbor. First nearest neighbor means diagonally. Is it second nearest neighbor or not? At what distance? Root 3a. Okay. See this. See this. Control C. Control V. So am I talking about this distance only? This is one triangle. This is another triangle, rhombus form. Am I talking about this distance or not? Check, man. Observe here. Is this forming one triangle or not? This forms another triangle or not? With 2, 1, 1, 2, forming one triangle or not? So is it rhombus form or not? So I am calculating the diagonal only now. So that's what I am saying. Now can I say this distance is 2 times of height of equilateral triangle? Do this distance is 2 times of height of equilateral triangle? What is height of equilateral triangle? Root 3a by 2. This is one equilateral triangle. This side is a. This is also a. This is also a. Then what is this distance? I will do one thing. Can I call this as equilateral triangle? Sorry, right angle triangle. Can I call this as right angle triangle or not? Right angle triangle or not? Right? Then what is this angle? 45. Right angle triangle, man. This is 90 means this is 45. This is also 45, na? Correct or not? Right? Sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Response, sir. So sin 45 degrees equal to what is opposite side? Height upon hypotenuse a. What is sin 45? 1 by root 2. Correct? Huh? So a by root 2 is h. Accepted? Accepted? $60, man. That is not 45. Array, this is equilateral triangle, na? Equilateral triangle means all angles are 60. Then what is this angle? 30. Is it 30 degrees or not? This one 60. This one 90. Right angle triangle, sir. Correct. This is angle bisector or not? This one is angle bisector or not? Respond. Is it angle bisector or not? Correct. Then can I call this point as centroid point or not? Centroid point always divides angles bisector in 2:1 ratio. This is a 2 parts. This is 1 part. Yes. Array. Say something, man. Yes or no? If I call this as centroid point, total will be 2 parts. So I will call it as a 2x. This as x. If total distance. Correct? Now what is this? This angle is 60. So I have to write sin 60 now. Sin 60 degrees equal to opposite side is h, hypotenuse is a. What is sin 60? Sin 60. Correct? Bring that a to this side. So what is height? Root 3a by 2. Correct? So from here to here, what is the distance? Root 3a by 2. Root 3a by 2. Root 3a. Correct? Any questions, man? So at a distance of root 3a, how many? Again 6. Now third nearest neighbors, sir. Third nearest neighbors. Do this become third nearest neighbor or this become third nearest neighbor? Whether this is third nearest neighbor or this is third nearest neighbor. Both are third nearest neighbors, right? In IIT, no need, sir. That depends upon which IIT you are selecting. If it is Kharagpur, they will not consider. If it is Roorkee, they will require. That depends. If it is Bombay, they will ask PCMB. That depends. If anyone is interested in biomedical engineering, obviously they need to go for PCMB. Understood, na? Yes, sir. What I am talking about. Just let me get clarity on that.
Third nearest.
1 minute. Whether they changed any rules. I think be not necessary. Oh, rules not changed. For most programs in biomedical engineering, it is recommended to have a background with physics, chemistry, bio, and max PCMB, right? While some programs might allow for, so I am correct, nothing wrong, right? Depending upon the IIT, some IITs will allow with PCM itself, but few IITs will not allow. I think Roorkee is giving MBBS course also. You know it? You know it or not? Everyone runs behind NEET for medical, na? Right? Now IIT Bombay is also planning to start MBBS course. But problem with it is you must be very strong in maths and physics. Otherwise, you will never get MBBS degree. Then what is the difference between normal doctor and this doctor? This doctor will do all operations virtually. He will sit at his home in his office and he will operate same type of operation throughout the world at the same time, precisely. Means here he will operate all the robots working in different countries at different time zones will do the same operation. For each operation, he will charge 1 lakh rupees, right? Means for one operation, he will charge maybe 100 crores or 150 crores by sitting at home without moving from the office. That's what you will say, without moving his ass, he is earning. With single operation, right? So he is highly qualified, highly recommended. Engineering also two types, you know this. BTech engineering is there. B is also there. Bachelor of Engineering, B is there, BTech. Both are there. Both are engineering only. What is the difference? BTech, Bachelor of Technology, Bachelor of Engineering. He is core. He is a technology. So BTech means you can join in anything. BE means you are really. They based upon the university. For example, JNTU, Jawaharlal Technological Universities, they will give BTech. Universities like Andhra University, earlier Madras University also, they used to give BE degree. But both are engineers. Both are bachelor's only, bachelor degrees. But one is BE, one is BTech. Here also both are MBBS only, right? One is having great knowledge of math. One is great knowledge of theory. Biology means theory. Google also will do better knowledge than me. But Google cannot do calculations like engineering. Do you know what AI is going to do? Now AI is coming now. By the time you complete your BTech degrees, do you know what AI is going to do? All information-based jobs will vanish. Every information-based job will be replaced by AI. skill-based jobs, emotional-based jobs, they can't be replaced. Right? AI cannot play the role of your mother and father. In simple words. Correct or not? AI can replace the job of a driver. Driver doesn't have any emotional touch with you. He has only one thing. See the road, observe the things, go. Right? Train navigations, aeroplane navigations, ship navigations. They doesn't require emotion because nothing is there to see, to express emotion, nothing is there. In Indian roads, emotion is required. Correct or not? Indian roads require emotion. We need to scold. Are you idiot? Huh? We have to say these words or not. That emotional touch must be there. Otherwise, we will not ride a bike. But particularly in Madurai, great emotion is required. When you are riding a bike, at least from moving Akash to home, at least 3 to 4 people you need to scold. Then only you will get the feel of ride. Emotion is required. Lot of emotion is involved. Yes or no, man? I say something. In Indian roads, emotion is required. Indian drivers require emotion. But if you go to Western countries, nothing. No need of it. Correct? So few things will be replaced. So you have to plan your career accordingly. Right? Few more things, please. Hey. Listen here, sir. One more thing. By using AI, can we create programs? Means, can we hack systems? That means, can terrorists utilize it? Yes or no? It becomes easy for them to attack. So number of cyber crimes will means it creates a new type of job and opportunities. Yes or no? Right? Now, thieves, dacoits, terrorists will not roam on roads. They will read well. They will get IIT degree, sit at home and attack. Then what police has to do? They also have to do against it. Means another new type of opportunity enhanced. Cyber crime with different departments. Till now, only police department is having one different type of wings. Now, cybercrime has to expand its wings. In the same way, courts also has to enhance their wings. Now, only family court, civil cases, criminal cases, correct? Then, cybercrime courses, financial cyber fraud cases. Different wings has to enhance now. So, you should have a law degree plus you have a BTech. You should have BTech and law. You should be a BTech and also have to know MBBS. You should be a doctor with BTech degree, with great knowledge of computers. You have to be a chartered accountant plus great knowledge of technology. Respond. Already in teaching it came. If I have only knowledge without knowing how to use the devices, I can't teach. Slowly it is enhancing. So after another 10 years, if I keep on teaching, it automatically writes and draws. Now also speech versus word format text is there, but images and videos is not there. So mostly maybe by another 10 years when I am teaching here, at one corner it will create video and it will display. In another corner, it will keep on writing text and updating the notes. Once lecture is over, all the lecture notes will be posted to you in either WhatsApp or as a text link over. Technology will be involving. So you have to get ready with that. You need to get updated account. Now, third nearest neighbor. Which is third nearest neighbor? Whether it is this or this, both are same. Both are same. So 3. Now what about here? This is also 3. Response are 3. This is also 3. This is also 3. How many? How many? 6, huh? At what distance? At what distance? 2r. Okay, root 4r. Right? So root 4a. Now tell me the fourth nearest neighbors, then I will end the lecture. And this is a, this is a. Now fourth nearest neighbor, sir. Where is fourth nearest neighbor? What about this? What about this, sir? What about this? And what about this? Whether both are at same distance or different? Response, sir. From here to here, from here to here, from here to here, whether with these two are same distance or not? Same or different? Same, huh? Pakka. Arey, check. Calculate. Calculate. You are saying same, na? Calculate. Same or different? Again, I am asking. Same. Pakka. Correct. Reason, observe this, sir. From here to here, sir. Observe. Observe this from here to here. Is it diagonal? Then deviation from this point, either this side or that side, both are same, will be same only, na? Deviation from that point, both sides will be same or not? Means both are 4. How many such 4s you will find? Behind every 2, you will find 4. How many 2s are there? How many 2s are there? Hey. How many 2s are there? Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means how many? 12. At what distance? At what distance? 2 to 5a, yeah? Okay, calculate. At what distance? Huh? Root 7a, na? A. This is also A, 2a. This is a by 2. A, here a by 2. And this is a. This is a. This is a by 2. Totally 5a by 2. Correct? Then what about this one? Is it a? Is it a or not? So a and 5a by 2. 7a by 2. Root 7a by 2 or 7a by 2? Find that distance, man. That is your work. Find it by tomorrow. Means by next class. Find the fourth nearest neighbor. Right? Hey. Class is up to 9, na? You lost the habit of waiting till 9. Huh? Last year, total year, you waited till 9. Now you got the habit by leaving at 8:30. Okay, go. Online students, you can leave. Offline students, you give attendance and then leave.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank
Bye,
you,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank
Bye,
you,
sir.
sir.
Right.